Okay, so congratulations to all the students who have cleared CFA level 1 in this August attempt. Great achievement, believe me, because I always felt that CFA level 1 is the toughest out of the 3 levels. People don't know what it is, how to study, what to expect, and you have cleared the same. But you must have heard that CFA level 2 is a difficult stuff. यहाँ पे item sets आते हैं and they really dig inside, and there's a lot of valuation, number crunching, models that are there. So how to approach CFA level 2? When to plan to appear for CFA level 2? I think the plan should be that we are going to appear in coming November. That would be the best attempt. If you ask me, you will be able to give comprehensive time. You will not rush through the curriculum. But somebody who for some reason is short of time, say somebody has taken a sabbatical, they may want to appear earlier in August or May. Of course you can. So that is regarding your choice of term. Accordingly, whatever scholarship form you have to fill up, you should fill up because you may get the scholarship. As far as study thing is concerned, CFA level 2 has a dearth of practice, as a dearth of questions. Even the additional practice pack that the institute has provided, they contain single MCQs, and that becomes really frustrating because you're going to appear for an exam where there will be item sets. So I don't feel that the CFA Institute's questions are sufficient enough for one to be really confident and dig inside the areas. Even the write-up in the core, we used to once say that core ka write-up is the best. We used to say that the explanation given on the questions ka answers by the institute is the best. It is not so. Now that we have all the large language models, better explanations can be derived from the GPTs and all as compared to what's written over there. So the study style has totally changed. I'm starting my CFA level 2 batch from the 15th of October. It will start in a slow manner, 2 days a week live. Of course, the pre-recorded lectures shall be given to you for those who want to speedily move ahead. So you can either prepare via the pre-recorded lectures or you can do the live lectures. From January 7th onwards, I will move into 7 days live. Yes, you heard it right. And the 7 days live, 3 or 4 days would be face-to-face in Kolkata for those who are in Calcutta. I want to take CFA level 2 to a different zenith altogether. Let's experience this explosion of knowledge and the digging deep with the help of all the large language models. And please understand, CFA level 2 has a lot of modeling stuff, whether it is statistical modeling, whether it is DCF based modeling, fixed income, equity, QM, all the topics involve some sort of modeling. So if you are giving a lot of time, you're building a solid career where the prospective employer cannot resist. So that is the sort of ambition we have with this particular batch of CFA level 2. We are starting 15th October. Do join.